Hi again friends, thanks for following me and my exploits on the old Crosstourer. Pleased to see you here again. Please share with your friends and help me promote my channel. Anyway, today for our Crosstourer I've gone and purchased a little program, a machine called Inforad. Now Inforad isn't a detector of radars, but it has a base of données, or in English a data bank, with 10,000 fixed radars in Europe. Opened it up last night and I've charged in France and Italy, because in about 4 weeks time I'm off to Italy for our holidays, so I've got France and Italy in it. So there we go. It's I got this off of Amazon for €30, postage and everything included. So it comes in a nice little pouch, a zipper pouch, and let's have a look. Well, you've got the normal little old pamphlet, doesn't do much, and then you've got the instructions or the destructions. Anyway, pick up the rubbish. I'm back again. I don't know if you can see this okay. This is the module that is fixed to the bike. It comes with some wire ties so we can strap it anywhere we like. This is the part, the brain inside it, if you really want to call it the brain. You plug this into your computer, your PC, and you download whichever country you want to go to. Clip this back onto the bike. It's a unit like this, and perfect. This piece is the goes into the computer, so that's your link cable, so you can download all your countries you wish to go to. So let me get this out of the bag and we'll have another look. So, alright, come on baby. So obviously I took it out last night. I couldn't wait to have a look at it and see what it's got. It's got an inline fuse, so we don't have to worry about getting the fuse fitted into it somehow. Right, red and black is obviously the power line. This is the power line I've yet to try and find somewhere to put it in. I don't want to go direct to the battery because it'll be constantly draining the battery. So I'm going to try and pick up a tower light wire or a wire somewhere. Okay, then there's 3 wires coming out the back of the box. One of them has the GPS satellite picker-upper, whatever you want to call it, detector. Here it is. And we've got loads of cables, so it's long enough to go anywhere you like. Bear with me, somebody's got the spaghetti going here. How many knots? There we go, guys. So this is a satellite detector. It'll pick up 5 satellites up in the sky. It's got 3M scotch, so it's never going to come off. And from here, yeah, I'm going to try and fit it under my seat somewhere. And enough cable to go to the front. And then the third cable is a little LED light, like a mic. Boom, bend it, twist it, any way you like. Once that's fitted in place, we've got an LED light, a green one, that'll flash when we first turn on until it finds its satellites. Then it'll go constant green, and it will stay constant green until you... Oh my god, what happened there? So that bit will be cut out, I'm sure. Let's have a look. How's the camera set up? Finds its satellites, and it will go constant green. And then there's a red light, LED again, which will come on when you're in a danger zone being near a radar. And if you're going over the speed limit for that danger zone, it will flash red. So it's a good thing. Right, so it comes very well packed, and they send you some ties as well. 2, 4, 6 ties. Won't be enough for what I want to do and where I'm going to go. I'll have to buy some more, I suppose. Anyway, without further ado, we're going to try and find somewhere to fit it. What do I think about it? I think, well, for €30, if I can save my points on my licence, it's well worth it. It's waterproof. The top part that fits on, take off that little cache, and we can see that'll go in, and then it's waterproofed. Needs to be on a bike, doesn't it, guys? So there we go. Right, as I say, I'm going to try and find somewhere under the seat to fit this girdly. Power source in, well, as I said earlier, I'm going to try and get it in there somewhere. I don't know where. That might work there. And then, as you can see, I've taken off the side panels, I've lifted up the tank. I've done all this last night to save a lot of time today. And I'm going to try and feed the cables under the battery. I'm going to take the battery out. Under there, behind the chassis, coming up, and then come up in front of the forks, and get the light up there. And we're going to stick the old satellite tracker on the front there. It's going to take a long while, guys, so I'm going to push the baby back into the shade because I've got about 36 degrees here and it's too hot to work in the sun. So we'll catch you a bit later, fellas. Thanks for staying with me this far with all my errors. There we go. It's Brickler Tony, Bob the Builder. This is Tony the Tinkerer. Okay then, guys, see you later. And as I'm going on, I'll do short bits and stick it all in together. Well, guys, it's not been easy. I've eventually found a place on the Crosstourer to put this Inforad because there's the clip there for the lock. There's a piece there. I couldn't put it this way. It fits in there smooth, as snug as a bug in a rug. And I've put the cable down there, back of the battery, under the tank. There's just enough space for it to come along there. Followed the wires up here. Whoop, get too close. There they go. This is it there. Up there. Comes out under there, and I've got this far so far. So far so good. But what I did do to increase security, I've taken some garden water pipe, split it down the middle, and put the cables inside it and tied it up again with some black scotch tape, just so there's no rubbing on the chassis anywhere and short circuiting. What's this here? I just seen on the floor and a bit of old tape. Right, so getting along there. I've now put the tank back down. I'm going to screw the tank home, get the side panels back on, put the battery in. I still don't know where I'm going to pick up my live, because to pick up a live off the rear light, I'm going to take all this off. So I think just to test it, it's going to go direct on the battery for today. And then some of you nice guys might leave a comment where I can pick up a live wire that comes on with the engine. Got these side panels to put back on. This one I took off to have a look last night. Still no good. Couldn't go through there. There's plastic everywhere. It's all pretty waterproof, the old Honda. And well, there you go. Took me ages, but keeping the video short for you guys. Okay, well, we'll catch you later when it's all back together. Well, there you go. It's taken me about 2.5 to 3 hours to find the right place, to put the cable through. It took me ages, I'll tell you. It's not a naked sports bike, it's all hidden. Anyway, eventually found a place under the seat, brought the wires around by the battery, behind the frame the other side of the chassis, and up through the headers. Got the GPS on top of the reservoir for the brake fluid, and the little LED light right in front of my eyes. So should be okay. I'll just show you that because I'm fully linked direct to the battery, there you can see that the green light is on. It's found its 5 satellites. It's ready to find the radars. Anyway, it was a bit of a pig's ear. I got it up there, under my wind deflector there, just comes up through the header bars, clipped it there and there, so that now when I turn full lock they don't stretch, and turn the other side it doesn't stretch. This bit's nice and loose. So all I've got to do now, fellas, and somebody's going to tell me I'm sure, is find a live wire in there somewhere, because I don't want that on all the time. Anyway fellas, thanks for watching, and that was the unboxing and the installation of the Inforad, the radar warning device. So catch you on the next trip. The next trip's going to be just going out for a short ride to test this to make sure it works. We'll have the old helmet cam on, and we'll see the change from green to red. And if I go a bit too fast, flashing red. Okay boys, bye bye for now.